Hello everyone. After more than 10 years of seeing these kinds of problems every day, today I want to share what we've learned from our experience in the repair shop. The W1 furnace heating loss fast error appears when the Ecobee thermostat detects that the heating system stopped producing heat sooner than expected. Simply put, the thermostat tells the furnace to heat the house, but it notices that the heat disappears too quickly or that the furnace shuts off before completing its heating cycle. At our shop, we often hear customers say things like, the heat comes on for a few minutes and then shuts off, or the furnace tries to start several times but won't stay running. The first thing we explain is that this code almost always points to a problem with the heating system itself, not the thermostat. The first thing we check is the air filter. If it's heavily clogged, it can restrict airflow and cause the furnace to overheat. When that happens, the high limit safety switch shuts the furnace down to protect it. As one of our technicians likes to say, most of the time the furnace is just protecting itself. If the air filter is clean, we move on to checking the flame sensor, limit switches, gas supply, and the venting system. Some customers tell us the error first appeared at the beginning of the heating season, when components that haven't been used for months are more likely to develop problems. According to Ecobee, this warning is typically related to abnormal operation of the HVAC system. The company recommends inspecting the furnace, checking the airflow, wiring, and safety devices. At this time, there is no known widespread manufacturing defect associated with the W1 furnace heating loss fast error.